Hi everyone, I am Harshit Garg. I am a medical student at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, India, and I am visiting Lindau this year to meet the Nobel laureates in the field of physiology and medicine. When I entered the medical school, I was amazed by the idea of how simple biological tissue transformed into cancer. I was particularly fascinated by the brain tumors because not only they carry very poor prognosis, but they have very high mortality. I worked in the Department of Biochemistry to understand the glial tumor pathogenesis. I principally researched on the Notch signaling molecules, which is not only responsible for the tumor vascularization, but help the tumor to thrive and survive and disseminate in the hypoxic environment. I used techniques like real-time PCR, Western blotting, siRNA interference so as to study the genetic expression. If we could somehow understand the entire signaling molecular pathway and target the hub, we could not only halt the cancer progress, but we can also improve the patient survival significantly. As a medical student, you always want to treat patients, but one can treat only 2000 to 3000 patients in an entire lifespan. But as a researcher, if you are dedicated and fortunate, they can benefit the entire generations to come. I am interested to know from the esteemed Nobel laureates about the challenges they faced in their journey and what kept them moving during their difficult times. I'm also curious to know what made them choose the basic research over their clinical practice. Looking forward to meet all the Nobel laureates in Lindau. Thank you.